Welcome to the channel. In this video, I will briefly talk about the DirBuster tool from OWASP. DirBuster is a powerful tool for scanning web applications to discover hidden directories and files. Developed with a focus on security and penetration testing, DirBuster provides unique capabilities for detecting potential vulnerabilities in web applications. The tool is effectively used for analyzing web server configurations and identifying weak points that could be exploited by attackers. Let's move on to the tool overview. We launch DirBuster. Two windows appear in front of us, the terminal, and the DirBuster tool itself. The terminal will display the scanning progress. To start scanning, we need to specify the target URL in the target URL field, which can be either a URL or an IP address of the target site. Next, choose the number of threads for scanning, keeping in mind that the more threads you set, the higher the load on your computer, and a large number of requests from one IP may lead to the blocking of that address if the target site is properly protected. The next step is to choose a list according to which directories will be checked. The list can be downloaded from GitHub or created independently. It should have a text extension. Next, we need to check the boxes next to Scan Directories, Scan Files. In the File Extension field, we can enter specific extensions that we want to search for, separating each extension with a comma. Finally, press the Start button. Scanning has started, and we can see the scanning process in both the terminal and the DirBuster window. Switching between tabs in the tool, we can see different information, such as the directories, files, and their extensions that have been found and their status. By right-clicking, we can open the found files for viewing. This concludes the introduction to the DirBuster tool. This has been IT Oracle. See you in the next videos.